Straight angle. An angle formed by a straight line and therefore having 180 degrees. A 180-degree angle is the measure of a straight line and is also called a straight angle. An acute angle is an angle with a measure of less than 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle with a measure of exactly 90 degrees, which is also called a right angle. An obtuse angle is an angle with a measure of greater than 90 degrees. A circle has been defined to have 360 degrees, and a half of a circle, or semicircle, therefore, has 180 degrees, and a quarter circle, therefore, has 90 degrees, and a quarter circle is often divided up into halves of 45 degrees, or thirds of 30 degrees. Imagine starting with a 90-degree angle and opening it up until a straight line is formed. At this point, the measured angle would be 180 degrees. A straight angle is the angle formed by a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Synonyms: 180-degree angle. Related words: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, half of a circle, semicircle.